Well, Trump tariffs are facing legal challenge back home in its own country. There are several challenges right now as we speak, but the first one is the federal appeals court that is hearing the case. So 5 small businesses and 12 democratic-led states have moved the court. So it started with a smaller court in a lower court. The argument was heard in a lower court, but that did not materialize. It was sent to a higher court, which is hearing the case now. The case pertains to this use of this 1977 IEEPA law. So this is the law that has been used by the Trump administration to levy, to put these tariffs into effect, and petitioners have argued that that is not correct, that should be outlawed, because the lower court had agreed with the petitioners, as I mentioned earlier, that the functioning of the tariffs is not right, and the federal appeals court is reviewing the case as we speak. And in the same vein, the federal judges in the same case, they have said that this aforementioned IEEPA law doesn't mention tariffs. So that is what they're arguing, that the word tariff has not been mentioned even once in that whole law that has been used to implement these tariffs. So the tariffs have been allowed to stay while the case is being appealed. So as I mentioned earlier, the lower court had stayed the tariffs, but that decision in turn was stayed by this higher court. And many of Trump's trade deals and tariffs hikes could be at risk because of this judgment, although the judgment is not supposed to come within the next week or so. But nonetheless, when it comes, there could be trouble for Trump.